Hello and welcome to our February off-market newsletter update. I'm Sam Sherrick. I'm here with Dominic on our buy-side team. In February, we found 127 new off-market leads that were introduced to clients, leading to 88 calls and meetings and 25 IOIs and LOIs that were submitted. That is very much on pace with January and the rest of the year so far. In other news, we had a lake and pond management closing. This is a PE-backed strategic that we advised on the buy side, helped identify, introduce the lead. We also had a buyer, Trip Bisons, that was featured on an Acquiring Minds podcast. Check out those details on our website for a link to the podcast. And furthermore, had a new advisor, Brad Wallace, who is helping us expand with boots on the ground into Texas, specifically in Dallas. Altogether, we've had 4 buy-side closings so far this year, and you will see press releases coming soon, again on the lake and pond management closing, but also in the staffing space, in the specialty contracting space, and the marketing and advertising space. In addition, currently have 10 signed letters of intent that are heading towards closing, and we're starting to feel an uptick in seller activity, especially correlated with rising temperatures and some more sunshine. And we definitely see an uptick as soon as the weather starts to turn for us. So Dom, thanks for joining me today. I know that you've had past experience on the buy side working for a PE firm, now working on the buy side serving buyers. Could you just tell us what leads to success for buyers? And please, if you would, give a little intro.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Sam. So I'm a buy-side associate here at Calder. I've been here roughly 6 months now. Previous to that, I actually had an internship at a private equity firm. So I got a little bit of experience on the buy side before coming here and working buy side full time. One of the things that you see with private equity groups that I think can carry over to anybody looking to acquire a company is the fact that private equity groups are determined to purchase a company. The question is, which company? With our engagements that we have, we bring a lot of prospects in front of each of our clients. The question is, I think, how well do our clients actually utilize the prospects that we give them? Often they'll meet all the criteria that they give them, or most of the criteria. And if you treat each of those prospects as if it was the company that you're going to purchase, I think we see a lot of success in our buy-side engagements.
Absolutely, 100%. Dom, would it be possible, could you just give us a little example of a recent buy-side client that was good and maybe one that wasn't so good to work with?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it comes down to just certain characteristics that you see in clients. Often the clients that we work with that are more relational, they care more about the story of the company, the background of the company, they care about the owner. Those are the type of clients we see a lot of success with. If on the first call that you have with the owner, all you talk about is numbers, all you talk about is, how much you want to sell it for, it comes across as very transactional. It really kind of shows your hand that you're talking to multiple other companies. You're just comparing them to the other opportunities that you have. And it really doesn't build any confidence in the owner that you're actually going to make an offer to them. The clients we see a lot of success with, often they are quick to respond. They talk to owners. They, maybe don't even talk about numbers on the first call. If it's not needed, they don't need to. They just instead hear about the background. They hear about the story of the owner. They hear about the story of the company. They try to understand the industry a little bit more, ask key questions, and then afterwards follow up and really start laying the framework that you need to create an offer.
Absolutely. Building that relationship and making sure that there's a trust there before submitting something or starting to talk numbers. Awesome. Dom, thank you very much. That will do it for our February update. Please reach out to us if you'd like to have us look into a search for you, or if you have any questions about the search process, and we will catch you next month.